overseas, but by the time you get this, maybe if you're in a different state. I know that I'm gonna keep saying it, I guess. When Richie was in Mass, it would be about 2 weeks from the time he would show some things he would do, and they would get to us in Ohio. You know, obviously this is back when the golden age, the golden boom, the time when I started, and I thought I was just, you know, the best at this. I was like, wow, this is crazy that people haven't started doing this, because when I got into it, the first store I went to had, you know, the most marked down clearance that I'd ever found, and so it seemed crazy that no one else was getting this stuff. So, but then, you know, obviously, a year and a half after that, well, maybe not a year and a half after that, maybe 8-9 months after that, it wasn't the case. But luckily, I was good enough by then, and I had sourced long enough by then, gone to, you know, 10 stores a day, multiple stores a day, multiple locations, many different stores, and started to diversify. Also ungated in more brands. Don't pay to get ungated in these places and these distributors. I'm not going to tell you how to get ungated. It's not going to happen. But you should get ungated. You should really get ungated. You should get ungated. Get ungated in big brands. Get ungated in any brand. I mean, you're not going to be able to sell a lot of things, but what the fuck does that matter? Sell whatever you can sell, right? Piss and moan about what you can't sell. Worry about what you can sell. Because what you can sell is a lot. And what you can't sell is a lot. There are millions of products. Millions and millions of products. And so you could sell those things, and yeah, you could easily sell those things. Anything you find that you can sell it, as long as it makes a profit. So, yeah, I don't have much to say. Just in the parking lot, weird, you know, filming yourself. It's weird for a grown man to be filming himself, but that's what you guys do, I think. YouTubers do. I'm not a YouTuber yet. Don't think I would ever call myself a YouTuber. Who knows? You know? Who knows what this YT life will bring? Anyway, enough dumb shit. Tomorrow we will be going to multiple Walmarts. Probably Gabe's or Ollie's thrown in there. Probably Target, possibly. Many things. I'm gonna have a bunch of videos before I first release my first video. So yeah, I think this is enough for today to make one video, maybe 2 videos, who knows. Anyway, not a lot. Maybe I had to come this way anyway, so not a lot, but probably say $30 profit in this. Plus I make my initial investment back. So yeah, make $30 profit. I had to come this way anyway. Walked around for 20 minutes, and yeah. So it's not always a home run, man. Sometimes you got to bunt. Bunting works too. Sometimes you got to bunt. Chip shot. Golf. Anyway, sports analogies. So do the damn thing, and yeah, do it. whatever. Anyway, this is Ryan Resells Infinity. If you don't already know the channel, I'd like for you to subscribe, I think. Maybe you'd like to subscribe. I don't know if I would like for you to subscribe, but maybe you would like to. Maybe you would like to. Not really sure. I don't know. Notifications, bell icons, subscribe, like, share, subscribe. I don't know if anybody actually shares these videos. I always hear them saying like, share, and subscribe. Does anybody actually share these videos? I mean, some of them, obviously, I would assume. Some big name people, but like, share, and subscribe. How many likes could you get? I know there's always like some kind of race to the likes. I don't know. Anyway, I guess you could like it. You could subscribe. That's important to do things on YouTube. And hit the bell notification and then go to all, so you could be reminded every time we upload a video, I think is what it does. Or don't, right? All right. Talk to you later. Bye. Just a quick thing. Never quick. It's gonna be long-winded as shit. Didn't know if anybody wanted to comment. I think that's a thing. I know that's a thing. I'm fucking around. So, didn't know if anybody wanted to comment what kind of videos they like, what they want to see, if this interests you at all. I'm driving currently, trying to make it less wobbly than it is. And yeah, let's see what anyone says about this. I guarantee there's going to be like 5 people who might have 5 views. It might be less than that. I don't really know. I don't know how popular this is going to be. Pretty decent at SEO, marketing. We'll see. Yeah, get some of that in my past life. So we'll see. We'll see what it is. All right. So yeah, comment, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and then ding it till it says all. You want all the smoke. All right, peace. Yeah, well, take care. Talk to you soon. Bye. This thing's got a wicked pull to the right.